This is a civil danger warning for the following states: Eastern Davidson State and Middle Tennessee, Southwestern Sumner State and Middle Tennessee, and West Central Wilson State and Middle Tennessee. Until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time at 8:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, California girls has located near Gimlet or near Nashville. Moving east at walking pace, damage to the country of Tennessee is likely. Contagious disease warning for the following states: Eastern Davidson State and Middle Tennessee, Southwestern Sumner State and Middle Tennessee, West Central Wilson State and Middle Tennessee, and Knox State in Eastern Tennessee. This virus is Collie's revenge caused by the California girls.
This is an emergency action notification for the entire country of California. Please stand by. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Californian government. This is a global emergency. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Zombies have been reported in many countries. There is nowhere to evacuate.
Esta es una notificación de acción de emergencia para todo el país de California. Por favor, espere. El siguiente mensaje se transmite a solicitud del gobierno de California. Esta es una emergencia global. Esto no es una prueba. Repito que esto no es una prueba. Se han reportado zombies en muchos países. No hay ningún lugar para evacuar.